2020 has been a year like no other. People with neurological conditions and their services have been profoundly impacted by the pandemic. But thanks to the resilience of our members and the neurological community, thousands have had a listening ear when they needed it most, and many services are starting to rebuild. As we head into the holiday period and think about 2021, Alliance trustees and staff have come together to reflect on what we've achieved.
More than 1,600 people with neurological conditions told us about their experiences during the pandemic. From cancelled appointments, problems getting medication, to feeling lonely, anxious and depressed. Those experiences, along with those of our members, shaped the Restart report, which was released in July. As a result, we've been able to directly influence NHS England and Improvement's rebuild strategy. Thank you.
I've been really pleased that our mental health work has continued this year. That includes analysing the data from our last patient experience survey and presenting it to the British Neuropsychiatry Association conference earlier in the year, and also working with NHS England on a webinar for IAPT therapists, that's primary care mental health practitioners, to let them know more about working with people with neurological conditions.
Hi, it's been great working with the Alliance over the past 9 months. Fantastic. Managed to get the rare conditions report finally sorted in November, and so much more. Great colleagues, neuro community's been so supportive, so I miss you all and have a really great Christmas and a happy and safe and healthy New Year. Bye for now.
Hello, I'm Caroline Davies, and what a year of change it has been. Back in January, Georgina Carr joined us as our new, dynamic and inspiring CEO. And one of the first things she did was to welcome our then new trustees, Angie Paul and Chris James, Katharine Crawford and Marc Smith. Fast forward to the autumn, and 3 more trustees joined the board, Arani Nitkunan, Kath Stanley and Sarah Rawlings. The autumn brought one of my personal highlights, which was working with Georgina on our week-long virtual Neurofest. We are already making plans for 2021, which will be bigger and even more sparkly. Are you ready?
Hello everybody. At the top of the piece, David talked about the fantastic collaborations across the Alliance this year, and I'd quickly like to mention another great example, which is NeuroLife Now, an initiative driven by the Brain and Spine Foundation and the Neurological Alliance. At its heart, it's a digital app that's been designed to capture patient experience at the time of COVID disruption, but hopefully it'll be useful and last much, much longer than that. Very happy Christmas to you all, and over to you.
So that's just a summary of some of the stuff that we've achieved together this year, despite some really difficult circumstances. And over the coming year, there's going to be lots of opportunities for us to come together and call for much needed changes to neurological treatment, care and support. In the meantime, I'd like to say a huge thank you for everything that you've done as a member of the Neurological Alliance, but in particular for everything you've done to support neurological services and people with neurological conditions and their friends and families. Thank you so much for everything that you've done, and here's to a happy and healthy 2021.